Hey my peoples, so today I'm showing you how I got this look from this. I've been inspired to do this look for a while, and I think I'm gonna make this a new series on my channel where I'm do a drag look and transfer it to my normal day-to-day boy look, and or vice versa. And please subscribe. We're almost to 200 subscribers. Woo! My social media is down below, and let's get into this video where I show you how to get from this to this. So, jumping straight in, first off, both brows are burgundy. I use the same product, except this one I did just with the product. This one is my natural hair, so it's going to be a little bit darker. So, jumping straight in, let's remember what I did, because I don't remember. First off, let me prime. Just put this all over the lid. And for this look, I did use the primer wet. I didn't set it with a powder first. So, we're going to be jumping straight in with this palette. Yes, I know I don't think it's the best palette, but that's all I use for this eye. And look how it came out, because I got some secrets for you, and you'll find out the more you watch. So I'm taking, as soon as I open it, I'm taking this dome brush here. I need a mirror. Yep, otherwise I'm going to just be doing this blindly. So I'm going to jump in with this mauvey pink shade right here. It doesn't look that mauve on camera, but it is actually pretty mauve. It's just that my lights are really bright. So make sure this is tapped out, not creasy. And I'm just going to tap this in the crease. Just tap it right in. Oh, now the sun wants to come out? I've been waiting to do this look for so long, like a good 2 weeks. But I haven't had a good day where I could film it, and or it was sunny enough outside. It's been cloudy all morning. So with this dome brush, just tapping it into the crease, building up the color, I am going to wing it out towards the end of my brow. And just keep building that up. Yes, it looks like I'm creating a harsh line. Don't worry about it. We'll blend it out later. Okay, sorry that my fan was running. I had to cut out. I had to do something real quick. So taking this purple color on this liner brush, I'm just going to kind of make a cut. Well, exactly what we're doing, making a cut crease. I'm just going to sketch this out right above my lid. And it doesn't have to be precise because we're going to clean up the bottom. And the top we're going to blend out. Just trying to make a line. And we're going to drag it all the way out. So about right there. Next, we're going to take this middle shade, oh, that's the same one, this middle purplish pink color of the two, and we're going to take that on a blending brush. I should probably got a smaller one, because I use this for the big eye. Anyway, so we're going to take this, and we're going to blend this right over, like, the purple and the pink, just to blend them together, kind of, because we don't want a harsh line right there. And we're also going to blend upwards to diffuse this line we made. Look at that, looking beautiful already. Okay, so this next part, you might sound crazy, but I learned this from my friend to make yellows pop because they usually are pretty dusty of a formula. So my friend Sarah, she just launched her channel, I think yesterday. I'm going to plan on sharing her soon, so stay tuned. And so she told me to put a white liner down, like a white pencil liner, and pack on top of it. So my white pencil liner doesn't work too well other than for the waterline. So I'm going to take this white grease makeup, clown makeup from like Party City, literally legit from Party City, on this brush. Don't knock it till you try it. Don't call me crazy yet. I got this look doing this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to sketch out right underneath the purple. I want to keep the purple line defined, but I'm going to sketch this out right on the lid. Just cut my crease with this. I'm not crazy. It's going to work. Should I make this a new series on my channel where I do a drag look and then I make it into like my normal day-to-day, or I do the reverse? Would y'all like that if I did that? I might try that. Let me know. Either let me know on Instagram or down in the comment section. Just redefining this line a little bit. So next, I'm gonna, if I can find the brush, give me a second. Okay, so next I'm gonna take this yellow shade all the way in the corner. It looks different than what it is in person on camera. But I'm going to take this yellow shade, right? And I'm going to pack this on top of the white. And this shade is really dusty, like I said. So it's going to take me a bit of time to kind of do this. But look how vibrant it's coming out. And this color, I've tried it before on the lid and it was not working out at all. It was really, but when it stayed put, like I put it down, it kind of just disappeared basically on my lid. Okay, so you want to dust off your brush a bit, rub it on your pants, whatever, I don't know. So then I'm taking this orange shade right next to it, and it's more orange than it looks like I don't know if you can see a difference as I can, but it's a lot more orange. So I'm going to take that on the brush, and I'm going to fill in this outer corner, just continuing the cut. Let me go. I'm sorry if I was blocking my face. I'm going to just blend that to add a little bit of darker definition between the bright yellow and like where we're going to put our liner. And this shade's extra patchy. Like, it's dusty, but it's also patchy. So, like, you gotta really, really, like, finesse this one on. Like, tap it, rub it, do whatever you need to get it on. So, as you can see, it's kind of make a slight gradient from light to dark. Then I'm gonna go back in with the yellow and just tap over this line right in the middle where the two meet. So, there's that. So, real quick, that's the top of the eye so far. So I'm gonna go apply wing liner and lashes. I'm going to apply these lashes I got from AliExpress. That one, by the way, because we did this one. That's the lash. And I'll be right back. I'm also gonna do my base. All right. Alright, so I'm going to try to finish this video quick because it got pretty dark outside and the time I did my face because it's gonna rain. And this is the eye almost done. So I'm going to take this lash glue from Iris Beauty. I don't use it as lash glue because it doesn't work well in my opinion. I'm going to put a dot right under the arch of my brow. Ooh, that looked like a lot. Well, and then I got these little jewels. I got like one big one. It's like a tan color. And I got a few small ones. So I'm going to take one of those. I'm going to place that right under there. Of course, it got to be a small one because this is so high scale. I needed a big one. Like, look at the size, the difference in the size of my brow. So I'm going to put this one little dot on that glue. If it will stick. Did I just drop it? I did. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna do this off camera. I'll be right back. Alright, so it's applied. So it just gives you a nice little ting every time you turn your eyebrow. So for the lower lash line, I'm taking, I believe I took this middle purple shade here for the lower lash line. And we're gonna blend that down just pretty low as well. And as I have to keep saying, these shadows are dusty. So I'm gonna have to pack this on. This might take a minute. Next, I'm going in with this white liner from LA Colors. LA Colors. I'm going to put that right in the waterline just to help bring that out and make the eye look a little bigger under all this color. Alright, so for this side, I added a thick layer of, I ain't putting it on the top. I added a thick layer of the Tarteist, this mascara, the Tarte one, on the bottom, a real thick layer, and then I'm just applying it to my real lashes underneath the false ones. Don't really get this on your false lashes because it'll not disrupt, but kind of ruin the style of them because they're made this way to have a certain style. When you put mascara on it kind of gunks them up, brings them down some. So next I'm going with blush. I'm taking back to my OG blush from Ulta. It's the Pink Out blush. Oh, see, it's just crumbling in my hand. It's okay. I have a backup. So we're just going to apply this heavily to the cheeks. Not that heavy, but like pretty heavy. I love my blush. A little bit more. And next, we're going to highlight. And we're going to use this highlighter from Wet n Wild that's sadly not even available anymore. I'm sorry for using it. It's the Crown of My Canopy. And it was really big when it came out. It's one of the Mega Glow highlighters. It was like almost impossible to find. I had no problem finding it. But everyone says it's like impossible to find. I think every now and then I still see them in stores, but ooh, look at that glow. But not easy. And last things last, I feel like I'm missing something. Sorry, my voice keep going out. Told you my tonsils are jacked up. What I'm missing? A lip color. So gotta wipe off my chapstick. I do this all the time. I like to have them very moisturized while I'm putting on my makeup, and then take them off by the end. Just rub it off by the end so my lips are moisturized and not dry to death. Okay, so what I forgot to do is just highlighted my inner corner with this wet pencil brush with Becca's Opal highlighter. And for lips, I couldn't decide between which one. So I used two of the Jeffree stars. For the outer rim, I use Family Jewels. And for the inner middle, I use the shade Gemini. So, I'm taking you to this. And what do you prefer? Do you prefer the boy glam? Oh, very, very pretty. Or do you just prefer all the way drag, y'all? All the way drag. Do you feel... Which one? Which one do you prefer? So if you like this new series I plan on possibly doing, I'm Faced by Trevi. Let me know down below in the description. Follow my social media as well as all the products I used in today's video is linked down below. Maybe minus a few. And click my face over there to subscribe. And watch some of my other videos over here. I'm Faced by Trevi, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.